Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to log in to WordPress in Bluehost. I'm now inside my Bluehost account, and to log in to your WordPress, simply click on Websites from this left side menu. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to this online university today for free, where you get access to multiple courses that can help you with your online business. These courses include this one about Bluehost, where you can learn many things like how to set up your website on Bluehost, how to manage your email account, domain name, optimize your website performance, and also billing and account management. To get all of this for free, simply go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Let's go back to our tutorial. Now that you're inside this website's page, just click on these three dots below your WordPress website and hit edit site. And this is how to log in to WordPress in Bluehost. Don't forget to give this video a like and leave your comment below. Thank you.